What's going on, guys, man? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one. Here we are, man. Got my haircut, by the way. Can you guys tell? Look at that. I'm looking kind of scruffy, my last one. Anyway, man, so what are we gonna do today? Today we are going to wash Christine. I was supposed to do this video a long time ago. I know people ask for it. It says, yeah, you know, show us how you wash your car and so on and so forth. I showed you guys the products that I use, but I never actually showed you guys me, or, you know, going through the steps of what I do to actually wash it. I think I showed a video of me washing her before, but not necessarily explaining exactly what I do. So that's what this video is for. And I will say this, man, I do not feel like doing it, man. I will tell you right now. Today is Friday. I'm not sure when this video is going to go out, because I got a couple things to do tonight, man, but today is Friday. It's Friday evening, man. It's about a little over 7 o'clock. And I will tell you, man, I do not feel like doing it, man. I had a long day today. Literally just got home from being out since 4 o'clock. Well, my bad, 5 o'clock. Being up since 4 o'clock. Out the house since 5 o'clock. And I just got home now at 7 o'clock in the evening. And, yeah, man. By the way, that's 4 o'clock in the morning. Out the house since 5 o'clock in the morning. And then, like I said, home now at 7 o'clock in the evening. And like I said, I do not feel like doing this at all. But it has to be done, man. So I'm doing this for twofold. One, because it has to be done. And the reason why it has to be done is because I will be attending that Daytona SpeedWay car show. That is tomorrow, Saturday. So like I said, I don't know when you guys are going to be watching this. Hopefully I'll be able to edit this tonight. And then you guys could be watching it right now. So basically, as you're watching this, I'll be at the show in Daytona. By the way, forgive me for sweating, man, because I was already over there messing with the water buckets and everything else, putting water and all that. So anyway, so again, man, so I just wanted, so it's twofold, man. I need to get ready for the car show. T-Fats, I'm gonna be honest, man. I was like, yo, I need you guys, man, but they were busy with a couple of things they had to do today. They had a bunch of, they were swamped, a bunch of appointments, and they had a function, I think, at in the evening. So I wasn't able to use their services, man. So I got a washer. It's all good though. But let me show you guys what I use, man. So this is what I use at home, man. So this is Meguiar's Gold Class shampoo and conditioner. This is what I use while I'm at home, man. So like I said, I've used this now for a number of years, and it's always done me well. And with you guys know, she's ceramic coated. With the ceramic coat, I haven't had any issues with, you know, with using this particular soap. So it works well with that ceramic coat as well. I haven't seen it, like, you know, come off or wash off or strip off or anything like that, man. So it's a pretty good soap to use. You guys see my buckets over there? So I do use only the 2-bucket system, not the 3-bucket system. So the blue bucket is for the wheels, right? That's what I use for the wheels. The white bucket is for the body. All right. Now, what I do though is, and I will show you guys as the process goes along. Excuse me. I'll show you guys as the process goes, man. But what I do is I do go around the car first with, you know, like the top half of the car. And then I come back around and do the bottom half of the car, man. So I do use the 1 bucket, but I do, you know, but I do the car like in 2 different sections, if you want to call it that. Actually, I do the car in like, you guys will see, man. Anyway, you guys see that little bottle over there, little spray bottle next to the white bucket? Right there on the edge, man. So that little bottle is a bottle of acid, man. So what I use that. I'm not gonna use it for the wheels. I don't think so. Actually I am. By the way, that's not full acid. I mean, I did get a bottle of full, but I got it from TJ's, to be honest, from T-Fats Auto Spa. He told me to make sure I had to cut it because straight acid is, you don't want that. First of all, you don't want that on your body, your skin, or anything else, or potentially get into your eyes and all that. And also he says, you know, that's super strong, man. So it will start to eat whatever it is that you get that on pretty quickly. So I did cut that 2 to 1. So basically, you know, 2 part, or anyway, so 2 to 1, right? You guys know. So I emptied the bottle all the way out, you know, to about that much acid maybe, and then I fill the rest up with water. So that I will use though more. I am going to use it for the wheels, but I'm not going to leave them on there long. So basically, as soon as I put them on, I'm going to, you know, soap it down and then and wash it off. But I really wanted to use it for though is my tailpipes here. So you guys know I got the carbon exhaust tailpipes, And let me show you guys. These get super dirty, man. Since I am catless, because I am catless, they get super dirty, man. So that is what I mainly want to use it for, is for this, to make sure that that cleans off well. And then that's it, man. But the rest of the car is super dirty because, like I said, it's been raining like crazy. So the car is really dirty. But we are going to wash it off, and it should be good to go, man. And it doesn't take too long to wash it either, man, because of that ceramic coat. So that ceramic coat does does wonders, man. Anyway, let me fill up my buckets of water, and then let's go, man. Let's wash this car. All right, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do, man, is I'm gonna take my acid bottle here. I'm gonna rinse down my wheels, spray this on there, and then quickly wipe it down with the wash it off with the soap, and the microfiber rag. So let's go. And that stuff is strong, man. So if you guys see, man, I was kind of coughing up a little bit in there, man. That stuff is strong. So anyway, that's pretty much one side, man. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick, and then we'll do the tailpipes. Man, my focus be messing up. Focus be all messed up. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna do the other side real quick, and then we'll come back and do the tailpipe. So I'll get back with you guys when we do that. All right, man. So I did the other side. Now it's time to do the tailpipes, the carbon exhaust exhaust tips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse it down first, then I'm gonna spray some of that acid on there, let it sit for a couple seconds, and then I'm gonna go in. Now, I'm not sure how this is gonna work. This is my first time using it. Usually when they do it at T-Fats, man, they got the pressure washer, like a super like duper pressure washer. So and then it just knocks it right off. So I don't know how. Hopefully it works with just the sponge in my hand, and it comes off that way too, man. But we'll see. You guys seen how dirty it was already, man. So I'll show you guys after I'm finished cleaning it. We'll see how it looks, man. Look at the wheels, man. The wheels looking good already, ain't they? Yeah, man. So anyway, so we'll like I said, let me do that real quick, or I'm show you guys real quick. Then I'll bring you guys back in close, so you guys can see how it looks after it's all said and done. So yes, I am going to use the same microfiber, wash rag that I use on the wheels, but I'm going to flip it and use it on the other side. So instead of the side I've been using, I'm gonna use it kind of on the other side, where it's like a little bit more rough. So that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, man, let's see. Yeah, looking at it, ain't really do too much. Not on the inside anyway. The outside cleaned up pretty good, but the inside, not so much, man. I don't know if you guys, there you go. Yep, not so much. So I don't know, man. With the sponge, doesn't really do the job, but it's all good though. All right, man, so normally what I do is, I literally do the car in sections at a time, man. So I'll do like the front and like this side right here, and then I'll rinse it off. And then I'll do the back and the other side, and then the roof, and then I'll rinse it off. But this time what I'm gonna do is, man, because it is kind of it's kind of late in the evening already, so there's no sun out. So and actually, if you guys know, man, normally I wash my car in the garage, man, but like I said, there's no sun out. So I am doing it in the driveway right now. It's about 8 o'clock right now anyway. So anyway, what I want to do is, like I said, I'm just gonna do the top. I'll do the top half of the car first. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the whole car, and then go around the whole car, the whole top half of the car, and do that, and then rinse it off. And then I'm gonna come back and do the bottom part of the car, and then rinse it off, man. So that's what we're getting ready to do right now, man. So let's go. right, man, so I just finished the top half. Now I'll go back around. What the hell is that? All right, man, so we'll go back around and do the bottom half and then rinse everything off. And then that's it, man. We'll go start drying it, that's it. So, pretty quick process. All right, man, my bad, y'all. So, my battery died, so I had to change cameras while I'm over here sitting down real quick. So I had to change batteries. Let's say cameras, I mean batteries, yeah. So I had to change batteries. I'm getting ready to dry it off there, man. So this is what I use to dry it off, is the leaf blower, basically. So I'm getting ready to do that now. It's starting to get kind of dark, so hopefully you guys can still see me. This camera does pick up light pretty well. I do got a street light right there, so hopefully you guys can see it pretty well, man. But anyway, so I'm getting ready to do that, man. So like I said, so after I finish washing everything off, rinsing it off, then I come back with the leaf blower and dry it off, man. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. All right, man, that's pretty much it. I don't want to bore you guys too much with this. This is just the finishing touches, man. But look how pretty she looks, man. Whew. Looking mighty, even in the nighttime. Look at that. mighty shiny, man. Man, those wheels are good too. So yeah, man. So at the end of the day, like I said, with the ceramic coat, that leaf blower works good, man. But it doesn't get, don't get it confused though. It does not get all of the water off. So you still got to come back around with a like a microfiber, not microfiber, but like a, you know, one of them soft polishing rags or something like that, man. You come back around with something like that and kind of dry off the excess water, just to make sure that everything is up off your paint. Because like I said, there are, I don't know, you guys probably won't be able to see it at nighttime, but there are like a few dots and spots in here and there where there is some water. So like I said, you could come around with get my focus back. And my camera been messing up with the focus lately. There you go. So yeah, man, so you do come back around with like a soft, like I said, polishing towel or something like that, and just make sure you hit up all the excess water, get it all off, and then that's it, man. So that's pretty much it for this video. All I'm gonna do now is, like I said, do that, go back around, wipe it off real quick, wipe her off, vacuum her real quick. You guys see I got my vacuum over there. And then that'll be it for this video, man. Oh, let me show you guys this stuff. So here's my other little secret weapon right here. So what this does, this is like a regular, what do you call it, like the spray wax detail, but this has ceramic in it, man. So pretty much this is like professional stuff. Like I got this from Chase Lucas, as you guys have seen it, that has been over there. I've been over there with Torrid Cat, stuff like that, doing some of these videos and that, adjusting like the front splitter and stuff like that. Anyway, man, so he's the one who gave me some of that, because he's also a detailer. So he gave me that stuff, and like I said, that's pretty much a spray detailer, but it has ceramic coat in it. So so when you use that, you're also kind of reinforcing the ceramic coat. So I will be using that as well. This is also, from what he said, people use this stuff as like a waterless wash as well. So this stuff is so good that people don't even use water, man, and they use this and it pretty much wipes everything off. So I don't know, I'm not too keen to that. I'll take his word for it, but I will always wash my car before I use that stuff. Just want to make sure I don't end up scratching it with no dirt or anything like that, man. But anyway, but yeah, man, so that's it for this video. So I don't want to bore you guys too much, man. That's pretty much it. I guess I'm just gonna finish her up real quick. Man, am I right? I don't know. Anyway, man, so but that's gonna be it for this one again, man. Like I said, stay tuned, because tomorrow, or the next video will be of the next couple of videos will be basically of that car show. I'm gonna break it up. Oh man, I'm sweating. because the one I did last time of the dyno, it was just too long, man. 48 minutes. That video was almost 2 hours before I edited it down. And I edited it down to 48 minutes, man. But even that was too long. So I'm gonna make sure I break this one down to a couple of different videos, man, depending on how much footage I get. But it is gonna be a long day. So the next couple of videos will be of that car show, probably rolling to the car show and then the actual car show and things like that, man. So anyway, other than that, man, I appreciate it. Like I said, that's tomorrow. That's the 27th of July. I'll be over there. The next one after that, man, that I'll be at is, like I said, my personal car meet that I am doing myself, along with Bad Hemi 300S and Savage Speed TV. That is August 11th at Margaritaville. You guys seen the flyer in the beginning of the video. At the Rock and Brew parking lot, man, at Margaritaville, Kissimmee, Florida, all right, which is right on the outskirts of Orlando. So if you guys can, man, I would greatly appreciate if you guys could make it to that one. And then right after that is August 24th. It is Ace Cafe, the Mopar night at Ace Cafe, man, and that is actually in Orlando, pretty much downtown Orlando. It's a good time out there, man. So yeah, man, so come out and chill, support. You know, like I said, get a chance to meet myself and a couple other guys and a couple of people that you guys see in these videos. They will all be out there as well. Most of them will be out there anyway, at both events actually. So make sure you guys come out and check them out, man. Support and everything else, man. I would greatly appreciate it. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got, man. Like I said, I'm gonna finish up Christine real quick and then head inside, man, and you know, edit this video, probably eat, edit this video, and then get ready for tomorrow. So, all right, man. Greatly appreciate it again. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. You guys don't want to miss what's coming up. Actually, on Sunday, I gotta drop her off for another mod. So stay tuned for that, man. Hey, real quick though, I want to give a big shout out, man, to Shaka on the beat, man. His information is in the description as always, man. Whenever I use his beats, he got some dope beats, man. Make sure you guys go check him out, his YouTube channel as well. His YouTube channel, he's reviving, or he's pretty much getting activated right now, man. So make sure you guys go out, check out his YouTube. I think it's also in the description as well. It should be in the description. So make sure you guys go check out his YouTube channel, man. He got some sick beats and got some sick videos as well, man. Like I said, he's starting to put together, man. So make sure you guys go check him out, man. Shaka on the beat himself. Anyway, other than that, again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell from me, and of course my girl Christine, man. Look how pretty she's looking right now. Of course, man, as we always say, man, we'll see you guys on the next one.